Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Sinta Nurfaisya. My student ID 24018095. So I would like to present my basic reading final project, analyze journal article with the title Application of Picture Media to Improve Student English Present Continuous Tense Speaking Ability with my lecturer, Miss Hermi Zaswita, SPD, MPD. The part A is introduction. Introduction paragraph 1. 1 is context clues. Convey to communicate or transmit information or feeling. So convey is synonym. Number 2 word parts. Conduct, con plus duck. Con is prefix. Number 3 sentence. Language is a tool used to convey or express ideas, opinion, and desires for something both verbally and in writing. Okay, idea, subject is language, verb is a tool. Number 4 is paragraph. Language is a tool used to convey or express ideas, opinion, and desires for something both verbally in writing. All language have four main components: writing, speaking, listening, and reading. Speaking is one of the language skill conducted orally by speaker to ensure understand their intent and purpose. Good speaking ability is a productive skill in learning English because it enables speakers to express their ideas correctly. Speaking ability is the competency in pronunciation, word to express and convey thought, idea, and feeling. Speaking is an oral language used to convey intention, such as ideas, opinion, and feeling to someone. Speaking skills are used to produce a flow or articulation sound system to convey wish, idea, feeling, and expression to other. The English language consists of four language skills relate to each other, namely listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Main idea or main sentence is language is a tool used to convey or express ideas, opinion, and desire for something both verbally in writing. The topic is language. Supporting details sentence 2 to sentence 8. Transition is such as. Next is introduction paragraph 2. Context clues is example to form and reproduce new expressions such as asking, explaining, discussing, and even helping college in class. Word part is reproduce, re plus produce, re is prefix. Number 2 is sentence. There are several stages of student speaking development such as listening and speaking productively. Key idea, subject is there, verb is are. Number 3 is paragraph. So we can see the paragraph here. Main idea or main sentence. There are several stages of student speaking development, such as listening and speaking productively. The topic is student speaking development. Supporting detail, sentence 2 to sentence 5. Transition such as. Next, we have introduction paragraph 3. Number 1 is context clues. Misuse to use something incorrectly. So misuse is synonym. Word part, increase it. In plus crease, in is prefix. Number 3 sentence. Data college through observation show that in 2021, students at the BEC U-Boot institution had several errors associated with their speaking skill. The idea, subject is data, verb is show. Number 4, we can see the paragraph here. Main idea or main sentence, data college through observation show that in 2021, students at the BEC U-Boot institution had several errors associated with their speaking skill. The topic is speaking error among students at the BEC U-Boot institution. Supporting detail, sentence 2 to sentence 7. Transition is such as reference word it in sentence 4 refer to present continuous tense. Next, we have introduction, paragraph 4. Number 1 is context clues. Hence, therefore, or a result. So, hence is synonym. Number 2 is word part. Improve, im plus proof, im is prefix. Number 3 is sentence. Therefore, to overcome the problems mentioned above, the study used the picture media technique, improve student ability to speak English. In the present continuous tense, to have clear, definite, and detailed objective. Okay, idea is subject is the study, verb is used. Number 4, the paragraph we can see here. So main idea on main sentence from the paragraph. Therefore, to overcome the problems mentioned above, the study used the picture media technique to improve student ability to speak English in the present continuous tense to have clear, definite, and detailed objective. Topic from the paragraph, picture media technique. Supporting details, sentence 2 to sentence 15. Transition, therefore. Reference word. It in sentence 3 refer to picture media, and it in sentence 15 refer to image media. Part B is method. Method is no have context clues. Word part is education. Educate plus en, so en is suffix. Number 3, sentence. This research is the descriptive qualitative research consisting of planning, action, observation, and reflection. Idea, subject, this research, verb is. The paragraph. This research is a descriptive qualitative research consisting of planning, action, observation, and reflection. This research was carried out in 3 cycles, each consisting of 2 learning cycles of face-to-face. The research subjects were 30 vocation education or PKK participants at the BECU Board Institute. The method used to collect data are observation, interviews, and tests. The instrument used to collect data is test question. The technique used to analyze the data is descriptive, qualitative, and quantitative analysis. 3 types of data analysis were used: reduction, description, and leverage. The process is used to collect, focus, and filter data, describe the source, and compare student score in each cycle based on minimum competence criteria or KKM. The result of observation, test, and interview were compared with the Creswell triangulation method to validate the collected data. Creswell 209. The main idea on main sentence from the paragraph is this research is a descriptive qualitative research consisting of planning, action, observation, and reflection. Topic, descriptive qualitative research. Supporting details, sentence 2 to sentence 9. Paragraph C. Part C is result and discussion. Result and discussion, paragraph 1. Context clues, monotonous, a lack of variety and excitement, so monotones is anonym. Word part, monotonous with aus is suffix. Number 3, sentence. In the early stage, the teaching and learning activity in the classroom were observed and evaluated. The idea is subject, the teaching and learning activity. Verb is were observed and evaluated. Number 4, the paragraph. You can see the paragraph here. So, main idea on main sentence from the paragraph. In the early stage, the teaching and learning activity in the classroom were observed and evaluated. Topic, teaching and learning activities. Supporting details, sentence 2 to sentence 10. Transition, furthermore, and therefore. Reference word, it, in sentence 3, refer to conventional learning activities. Result and conclusion, paragraph 2. Context clues, Collaborator observation sheets defines the tool used to gather feedback from college. So, collaborator observation sheet is definition. Word part, colorful. Color plus full. Full is suffix. Inherent, in plus herent. In is prefix, herent is suffix. Number 3 is sentence. At this stage, the syllabus, lesson plans, and pre- and post-test student observation sheet for each cycle. Collaborator observation sheet and picture were prepared according to the material. Key idea. Subject, the syllabus, lesson plans, pre- and post-test, student observation sheets for each cycle, collaborator observation sheets, and picture. Verb, were prepared according to the material. Paragraph 4, we can see here. Main idea on main sentence from the paragraph. At this stage, the syllabus lesson plan, pre- and post-test, student observation sheets for each cycle, collaborator observation sheets, and picture were prepared according to the material. Topic is preposition, supporting detail is sentence 2, sentence 10. Transition, furthermore, reference word, they in sentence 5 refer to student. Result and conclusion, paragraph 3. Context clues. Obtain, to get or acquire something. So obtain is synonym. Word part, relate, re plus let or late. Re is prefix. Sentence, the teaching and learning process starts with asking students several questions about their understanding of material. Key idea. Subject, the teaching and learning process. Verb is starts. So the paragraph you can see here. Main idea or main sentence from the paragraph. The teaching and learning process start with asking students several questions about their understanding of material. Topic, teaching and learning process, supporting details, sentence 2 to sentence 6. Transition, for example, and furthermore. Reference word, it, in sentence 4, relevant to new words. Next, conclusion, result and conclusion, paragraph 4. Context clues, reinforced, strengthened or made stronger, so reinforced is synonym. Word part, responsible. Response plus able. Respond is root, able is suffix. Number 3 is sentence. Several observations were used in each cycle with an increase in student A. Learning motivation, B. Ability to ask and answer questions during learning, C. Rise in confidence in speaking the English language from the present continuous tense, and D. Is being responsible for their assignment. Key idea. Subject is several observation, verb is were used. So the paragraph you can see here. Main idea or main sentence from paragraph. Several observations were used in each cycle with an increase in student. A. Learning motivation. B. Ability to ask and answer questions during learning. C. Rise in confidence in speaking English language from the present continuous tense. And D. Being responsible for their assignment. So the topic from paragraph is observation. Supporting detail, sentence 2 to sentence 14. Transition is an additional reference word is in sentence 9 refer to the use of image media. Next, we have result and conclusion, paragraph 5. Context clues is enthusiasm, great excitement, and eagerness, synonym. Number 2 is word part. Conclude, con plus good, con is prefix. Sentence, in general, the application of picture media make it easier for students to learn to speak English in the present continuous tense. Key idea, subject, the application of picture media, verb, motivates and make it easier. Paragraph, you can see the paragraph here. Main idea or main sentence in paragraph is, in general, the application of picture media motivate and make it easier for students to learn to speak English in the present continuous tense. Topic from paragraph, application of picture media. Supporting details, sentence 2 to sentence 7. Transition is additional. Reference words, it in sentence 5 refer to image media. The last part is the conclusion. Context clues is increased to make something great or better. Increase is synonym. Word part increase in plus crest in is prefix. Number 3 is sentence. The picture media technique was used to increase student ability to use the present continuous tense correctly when speaking English. Key idea, subject is the picture media technique, verb is was used. Paragraph. The picture media technique was used to increase student ability to use the present continuous tense correctly when speaking English. The statement is evidenced by the test result from cycles 1 to 3, which continue to increase. So, main idea or main sentence from the paragraph. The picture media technique was used to increase students' ability to use the present continuous tense correctly when speak English. Topic from the paragraph, picture media, supporting detail, sentence 2.